Businesses are being advised to cut production by 30% during high stages of rolling blackouts. City Power says this will reduce strain on its systems. The utility says its top priority is to protect healthcare facilities.
From our City Power side, technically reconfigure the network so that we are able to remove the hospitals or other healthcare services from being embedded with the residential customers, so that we are able to load shed the residential customers and keep the lights on at the hospitals. And I think that has been going very well, and that's why most of the hospitals were not load shed when we're at stage 6. In fact, if I remember, I think about half of the hospitals in all of Gauteng are off load shedding, are excluded from load shedding, and most of it is based on the work that we've done. We've also managed to bring in more energy sources, things like battery storage systems and also solars in most of those hospitals. And that project is still ongoing, so that we are able to basically ensure that whenever we are hit with load shedding, whether stage 1 or stage 6, we have removed everyone from load shedding. However, Brandon, I must indicate that when you go higher in stages, it means that even your pool shrinks, because now you are forced to give more to Eskom and also switch off more of these substations that you could have ordinarily excluded because of the carry essential load. So it means that, we started to shrink and make sure that more and more of these health services, especially the clinics, are also brought on into load shedding. And with our businesses, we have made contact with them to request them to curtail or to reduce the consumption, because you can imagine there are those businesses that cannot switch off the machines. So, but what we have asked them, because we've got curtailment agreements with them, that whenever we are at higher stages from 4 to 6, they should at least cut their production, by at least 20 to 30%, depending on the capacity that is required by Eskom.